This is Charlie's. We are on the Ormeau Road in Belfast. Charlie's is, I suppose, we're framing it as a new neighbourhood pizzeria. So it's kind of been something that we've had in the works for a very, very long time. We had Pie Guy previously in town, and I live on the Ormeau Road, and I've been here for like close to 20 years now. And this is home for me, so we always wanted to open up something here, and then whenever this building became available, instantly we knew this was the one for us. Whenever I started out, especially whenever we started in trade market, I was really concerned about what influencers or sort of journalists or whoever were coming down and really wanting to be well reviewed. And genuinely, that is so far from my mind now that we have this place. It's just, I know that we can make really great pizza. I know that we do make really great pizza. And I know that, we are not making it for people who are travelling here once. We are making it for the local community. We want people coming back here in 10 years' time. And being, I was there the first day you opened, or we went on our first date here, or, me and my wife, met here. Those are the type of things that are really kind of important to us. We're not looking to kind of say that we're a fine dining establishment. We're making pizza. Pizzas should be accessible to everybody. And I mean everybody. Our price point, is very sharp for what you're getting. The fact that you can come in here, you can grab a slice, you can have a beer, you can sit in the corner and watch the world go by. There's not really much better than that.